Hi, I'm Sandy Genovese and welcome to the Ellison Education video series. Today we're looking at a brand new use for paper clips. And the die that we're going to use and combine with those clips is called paper clip tops. And you'll see why. Here is the die, and then when you look at them embellished and attached to the paper clips, you can see how they're being used as a way to mark your page. It could be in a journal, it could be in a planner, it could be in a student's book. But you can see that it includes a flower, an arrow, a butterfly, and a star. And when you clip it onto the page of a book, it's so handy. I mean, this isn't going to come out. It really is a great way to mark your place. And once the kids see how easy it is to make, they're probably going to come up with lots of designs of their own. I thought we would use the flower. So I'll take the flower. All of the different designs have a hinge that make it easy for you to see where you're going to fold and wrap it in the paper clip. But first, I want to decorate that center. So I'm going to take just a circle punch, and I'll punch out a circle. And then, because I want to put adhesive on the back, sometimes my fingers get in the way trying to put adhesive on these little shapes, so I just take a sticky note and use it to hold it in place while I add my adhesive. And then I'm going to go ahead and position this right on top of the flower. I'll take a white pen in order to add just a few fun details inside. And then it's time to add adhesive to the portion where the hinge is. Every one of these shapes have a little hinge. And it's best to put the adhesive on the flap as well as right over where the hinge is. This will really hold it firmly against the clip. And then you can use colored clips, the standard silver clips, but you want to just place this so that it's going to be sitting inside the clip, and then all I'm going to do is fold this, put it down, press, and now you can see why I wanted adhesive right where that fold mark is. So it's really now stuck to the clip as well. And look how great it creates a clip that is perfect for marking your page, whether it's your teacher's planning book, whether it's a book for the kids that they're reading. All of these are just so cool. Whether you choose to clip them on the sides or on the tops of the pages, these clip tops provide the perfect way to mark your place.